Maybe we should just explain. I don't think we really explain what Wynter is properly.
Well, really, it helps you understand what in your messaging and copy on your website is working and what's not working. What's helping you get more customers and what's turning customers away. That's the summary of it. And you will learn this through feedback from the people you're actually selling to or marketing to. So, as I said, we're a panel company with a software layer. So we have a database of people, and they're organized into job functions and industries. So SaaS marketing directors, e-commerce, customer support people, and etc. And so, if you're in B2B, which is our focus, if you're in B2B, you sell to people based on titles. Everybody knows which title they're selling to, or at least job function. We're selling to marketing, we're selling to sales, HR. And so we can put, oh, you need selling to HR? What size companies? What industries? Boom, here you go. And so you will learn from the people, the target audience you have, what in your messaging makes people lean in, like, ooh, tell me more. And what about it is like, they're like, I don't give a shit about this. It's so boring. And so that's specifically about how compelling your pitch is, but also on the broader spectrum. So really, this is about competitive strategy, because everybody has a fuck ton of competition. Agencies have the most competition of all because it's the easiest business to start. You and I, we can set up as another agency this afternoon. Just need to register the website, and boom, we're an agency. That's it. That's all it takes, really. And then SaaS, e-commerce, same thing. It's crazy town. 400 email marketing tools, 450 CRM tools, and so on and so forth. And so, what are you saying that tilts somebody's decision in your favor? And especially in B2B, it's like you cannot win the feature war, really. Like whatever feature you have that is interesting and attractive to the customers, everybody else will have it shortly too. And so it's really most companies are not competing on innovation and product or product-based differentiation. You're really competing on brand messaging and brand-based differentiation. And the choice for the buyer, like, why choose you? That's messaging. And if you want to like compete and win in a saturated category, you need to be able to measure and have data on what is it that my audience, the very specific slice of the market that I sell to, what is it that they want? And how is what I'm saying to them already landing? And how does it compare with what else is out there?